Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to learn about how you can go Facebook or YouTube live by using Zoom meeting app and also the security features of this Zoom app. So let's start. First you have to install Zoom app in your computer. Then you have to sign in with your registered email ID and password. So here I'm going to sign in. After sign in, this page will open, and here you can see, from here also you can join the meeting, you can schedule meeting. In my next video I will show you how to schedule meetings. And now I'm going to go to the meeting section, which I have already scheduled previously. So these are the meetings which have created before, and now I'm going to start one of the meeting from here. So here I will choose Thursday session, uh, this one, Thursday gender, Anajuris Thursday gender and sexuality session. Then click start. Now you have to go to the security option. So here you can see in the security option so many options available there. So you can see log meetings, then enable waiting room. So these are the log meetings, means when you log the meeting, after that no one can join the meeting. And then when we click on the enable waiting room option, what happened? No participant can join the meeting without the permission of the admin. Okay, so when we don't want a participant to enter the meeting without your permission, then you have to click on the enable waiting room option. So in the next part you can see here it's written allow participants to. So it's so simple, you just have to click on the options which you want to give the access to your participants. After enabling meeting, if someone wants to join the meeting, then this way notification will arise, and it's up to you whether you want to admit the participant or not. Now if you want to record the session, you have to click on the recording option. So there you can record this session in your computer as well as cloud. Now we'll show you how to go Facebook live. For that you have to click on the more option, then you will see three options will be there. So you have to click on the Facebook live. If you want to go YouTube live, you just have to click on the YouTube live option. That's it. After clicking the Facebook live option, this page will open. So here you can choose where you want to go live. So few options are there, like share on your timeline, share on friends timeline, this way. So here I'm going to live on a particular page. So if you want to go live on a particular page, so you have to be admin of that particular page, and after that you have to click next, and then you have to choose the page where you want to go live, then click then next. Now you can see this meeting is preparing to go live. Now you have to give the title, and then you have to write the description, and after that you have to click go live. Now again go to the Zoom app, and Now here you can see in the more option that stop live streaming. Now go to the end option and then click and end the meeting for all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel to get the notification of my upcoming videos.